Hey, what do you guys have? What is that? What kind of enrichment is that, girls? Hi, Mac Monsters.
Yeah, look at this. Look at this. Look at this candy can.
Ooh.
Yeah.
You should check that out.
Yeah, look at this.
Oh, is that yummy?
Look at this. Yeah.
Hi, girls. There you go. There you go. Is that food or a toy?
Yeah. Either way it works.
Either way it works. A Mac treat.
Mac treat.
A treat for Mac Monsters.
So much Mac fun.
So that is a palm pod. Thank you. And we figured that it would give them something to bite, maybe eat, hopefully. They do love palm seeds and palm nuts. And certainly, better than a toy, something to do. Something fantastic for our Mac Monsters, or macaws. On the right hand, you've got Kailani, she's a Catalina macaw. That orange belly. And on the left, we have our Harlequin macaw, Tammy. Hi, Kailani. They both say hi, Kailani. They're both adorable. Have fun. Enjoy your pod. Thanks for watching.